Hello all, welcome to ICP4. This is Abhishek and my partner is Vamshi. In this ICP, we are taking the code from the previous ICP and changing the hyperparameters in order to gain maximum accuracy. In this ICP, we will be using Cypher10 dataset for performing image classifications, and at the end we'll be taking some of the pictures from the internet and giving to the model and predict how accurate they are. So without doing any late, we'll be jumping into the code. In this ICP, firstly I am importing NumPy and Keras library and all the required things. Firstly we'll be using in this ICP. So I'm setting the seed value to 21. In this step, as I have already said, we'll be using Cypher10. So we'll be splitting the data into trust and train. So let us print the shape of them. It's 50,000, which is 80%, and it is 10,000, which is 20%, and it has 32 into 32 into 3. So it was stored in matrix form as their images. Now let's print the shape of Y. They are similar to X. Now we are normalizing the data by dividing it by 255. So I'll be getting the values from 0 to 1. So I can see here 0.8 is the maximum value. So the data was normalized. Now in this step we'll be converting the data to vector form. So let me print over here. They are it. Now it comes to the crucial part of the code. Here I am using sequential model for performing my for adding the layers. So here I am changing it to 32. This is my first change, and similarly I'm changing the dropout values here to 0.1, and I'm repeating the same layer here, and at the end I'm doing flattening and dropout. And the second thing is I'm using Ada Max Optimizer and apertures as 20, and here are my two changes here. So until here I have completed my defining the model. So let's compile it using the metrics optimizer and accuracy. Here is the accurate summary of the model. So I have used 20 apertures and batch size is 64. So I have taken batch size as 20. We can increase it, but the accuracy will be decreased. So I have evaluated the model. So it was 81.83%. So as I have said earlier that in Cypher10 we have different kinds of data. So it was 10. So I have labeled them on the scale of 0 to 9. Here I have labeled them for 0 aeroplane, for 3 cat, and now we are using TensorFlow and NumPy in order to plot the images and to compare. So in order to compare with the images which are present in the model, I'm using predict function. So it will be it will be comparing my image with the data present in the model. So here I have taken some of the sample images from the internet, so which is aeroplane, and which is horse, and which is an automobile, and here is a bird, and here is a dog. So I have taken images and compared with the previously trained data in the model, and I have got the predicted images. And this is end of ICP. Thank you.